Hello everyone, this is Discord News, and for today's Discord News I'll be going over the recent tax change that Discord has been rolling out the past couple of months. And you might be asking me, how has it changed? And you probably are looking at the Discord Nitro prices and saying to yourself, well, they're kind of the same, but I'm going to show you how they're not, and how they have been changing the price of Nitro over the past couple of months in a secret method I like to call, and I'll show you right now how it works. So you might be thinking and saying to me that, well, what do you mean? The Nitro Basic is $2.99 a month and the Nitro Premium is $9.99 a month. And if you do buy the Nitro for a year, it's $99.99 a month. But if we go to my subscription section, and you can see that it costs $99.99 a year plus applicable taxes. Which is totally fine because, yes, it does charge applicable taxes on the $99.99, so it would charge, tax, and for me it would convert to Canadian dollars. But if we actually look down here, it says your subscriptions will automatically renew on this date, and it says I'll be charged for $111.99 or $12 more, which is strange because last time, if we go to my billing history, we could see that I paid $99.99 in total, not $111.99. And now this is because Discord used to charge just straight up $99.99, but it actually included the tax in it. This is a common tactic that we've seen with mobile apps in the past, and basically it's just the price with taxes included. So in this case it would be whatever, 86 or something like that, dollars plus the tax. But instead what Discord's done, if you look at my email here, that'll be on the screen, you can see that they're basically trying to say that, well, no, we haven't been charging you tax this entire time, and you have to pay an extra $12, which, if you take a closer look and also just calculate that for a second, an extra $12 a year, well, that just means an extra $1 a month. So essentially, they're raising the Nitro cost per month by $1. Because before, it used to only charge $99.99, but now I'm being charged $111.99. So essentially, they're masking the original price that included the tax and saying that it didn't include the tax and is adding more tax, but instead it's just a giant scheme into making you think that you're getting Nitro for $9.99 when you're actually getting it for $10.99, because essentially all they've done is raise the price by $1 a month. Of course, I still love Nitro and I do want to continue subscribing. Why? Just why, Discord? Why? Like, why did you have to do this? But you know what? In the end, though, I just wanted to let you guys know that because people, you and I and other people that are subscribed will be getting messages like this or emails like this saying that your subscription will be basically raised because of quote-unquote taxes, but in reality, though, it's actually just a way of them rewording them raising the price per month without raising the price per month, if you know what I'm saying, because originally they didn't charge that extra $12 or the extra $1 a month fee when they never charged it before. So essentially, they used to keep taxes within the price, but now they're just raising it by $1. Anyways, that concludes today's Discord quick news. Hopefully this news helped you out. Please leave me a comment below what you think about this change and if the change has happened to you yet. In that case, though, this was a pretty quick video, just doing a quick little news thing for, by the way, our new Discord news series. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe. We're trying to go for 500, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.